Maintenance of equipment often includes using lubricants. Different types of lubricants are appropriate for different areas throughout the facility. It is imperative that maintenance personnel are trained on all of these substances, where they are used, and how they should be properly handled and stored. Lubricant manufacturers often provide guidance on how their lubricants can be used and whether or not they are food safe. NSF International provides the following categories for lubricants. H1 lubricants. These lubricants have incidental food contact and are also called food-grade lubricants. By incidental contact, we mean that H1 lubricants are safe for human consumption only in small amounts, a very few parts per million. These products are permitted for use as lubricants and anti-rust agents or as release agents on gaskets or sills of tank closures. The minimum amount required should be used in lubricating to accomplish the required maintenance task. When a product is used as an anti-rust film, it should be removed by washing or wiping before putting the equipment back into service. H2 lubricants. These lubricants are intended for food production facilities but not intended to have any food contact. These products are used on equipment and machine parts in locations where there is no possibility of the lubricant or lubricated part contacting edible products. H2 products must not contain even trace elements of carcinogens, mutagens, mineral acids, or intentional heavy metals such as arsenic, lead, mercury, and so forth. H3 lubricants. These are soluble oils that are safe for human consumption, such as corn oil, sunflower oil, soybean oil, or cottonseed oil. These lubricants are inherently biodegradable and are generally recognized as safe to be added to food. These oils are often used to prevent rust on hooks, trolleys, and similar equipment. When using various grades of lubricants, make sure to clearly label containers and take any other necessary precautions to prevent mix-up or cross-contamination. This can be managed as part of your chemical control program or as part of your maintenance program.